I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right finish and prepping the wall so paint adheres. Clean the surface thoroughly, then sand high spots and feather edges for a smooth base. Once done, wipe dust with a damp cloth and let dry. Make sure to tape trim and cover floors. You're beginning the paint process now, not later, so test your chosen color on a 1 SQ/FT patch to confirm light and undertone before mixing gallons. You'll mix paint and apply it methodically to control coverage and finish. Stir for a few minutes, then pour into a tray and use a grid to load the roller evenly. This helps prevent drips and uneven texture. Once done with broad strokes, cut in around edges with an angled brush and blend into the roller-applied areas. Make sure to work from one wall section to the next so you keep a wet edge and avoid lap marks. You finish by applying a second coat and inspecting the result under varied lighting to spot uneven coverage or streaks. Wait the manufacturer's dry time, sand lightly if texture differs, then remove dust and apply the final coat for uniformity. Once done, peel tape slowly at a 45 degrees angle to avoid pulling paint. If streaks or roller marks appear, re-roll with light pressure while paint is tacky or apply a thin glaze to even out sheen. This fixes most finish problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.